What if everything you learned about science was limited by what they allowed you to see? There are worlds hidden in a drop of water, secrets in your own skin, mysteries in plain sight that regular microscopes simply can't reveal. For months, I've tested every model on the market. Most were disappointments. But this one, the 2026 model that arrived in a plain black box, showed me things that shouldn't be possible at this price point. What I'm about to show you in the next 8 minutes will make you question reality itself. And yes, you can still get one before they are gone. Number 1. Trinocular Microscope 40x, 5000x. Compound trinocular microscopes are sophisticated devices designed for detailed biological observation and are equipped with advanced features for enhanced user experience. This specific model includes two wide-field, WF, eyepieces with magnifications of 10x and 25x, giving flexibility to choose the level of magnification suitable for various applications. In addition, it comes with two 2x magnifying lenses that further enhance magnification capabilities. One noteworthy feature of this microscope is its high-pixel electronic eyepieces, which allow for clearer visual capture and digital imaging, making it easier to document findings or share them in real time. The optical lens has a special surface coating that fosters improved light transmission and minimizes reflections, ensuring high-quality images with excellent clarity. The wide-angle design is ideal for comfortable viewing, especially during extended periods of use. Number 2. Microscope Magnification 40x, 2500x. Their microscope boasts an impressive 360 degrees rotation feature, allowing users to easily share their observations with peers, whether in a classroom or a collaborative learning environment. Additionally, the adjustable pupil distance ensures that both children and adults can utilize the device comfortably, making it an excellent tool for fostering curiosity and collaborative learning experiences. One standout aspect of this model is its dual-focus handwheels. The coaxial thickness fine focus knobs are strategically located on both sides of the biological binocular microscope base. This design not only enhances accessibility but also integrates a coarse and fine focus structure, allowing users to achieve quicker and more precise observations of their target specimens. In terms of optical quality, the compound microscope is equipped with a set of objective lenses that include 4x, 10x, and a powerful 100x lens, paired with 25x wide-angle eyepieces. Number 3. Trinocular Microscope 40x, 5000x. The compound trinocular microscope is a sophisticated instrument designed for high-quality viewing of specimens. It comes equipped with two wide-field, WF10x and WF25x, eyepieces, enabling users to select the optimal magnification for their observations. Additionally, the inclusion of two 2x magnifying lenses enhances the overall magnification capabilities of the microscope. One notable feature of this microscope is its high-pixel electronic eyepieces, which greatly enhance image clarity and allow for digital captures and analysis. The optical lens surface coating provides improved light transmission, resulting in clearer and more detailed images. Its wide-angle design ensures a broader field of view while minimizing distortion, making the specimen observations more comfortable and effective. Their microscope's adjustable refractive index allows users to modify the lens parameters for optimal viewing conditions, while the adjustable isometric design caters to individual user preferences, eliminating the strain of squinting typically associated with long observation sessions. Number 4. TOMLOV DM301 Pro Microscope. Designed with a full-color IPS, in-plane switching, screen, this LCD digital microscope provides enhanced visual clarity and comfort, making it an excellent choice for extended use by both children ages 8 and older, as well as adults. This user-friendly design ensures that both novices and seasoned individuals can effectively engage with the microscope for prolonged periods without discomfort. Incorporating wireless control with app support, this microscope allows for real-time viewing, zooming capabilities, and smooth media capture via its companion application. Their Wi-Fi connectivity elevates this instrument beyond a traditional USB microscope, enabling effortless mobile operation on both iOS and Android devices. This feature not only enhances convenience for users but also facilitates exploration and learning on the go. Number 5. Microscope for adults WF10X and WF25X. The binocular microscope for adults can be used in a wide range of fields. It can be used primarily to observe the morphology and structure of biological tissues or tiny objects, and includes a USB 2.0 electronic eyepiece for taking photos and videos on your PC. The advantage of the compound microscope is that more information can be obtained to help you gain insight into the tiny world. Total magnification. Compound binocular microscope is one of the most important tools for studying biology, chemistry, physics, and other sciences. Equipped with WF25X eyepiece and WF10 eyepiece, together with 4x10x40x100x achromatic objective, microscope provides 6 magnification settings to magnify objects 40x, 2000x times to obtain clear images. LED dual light source. The USB microscope LED dual light source microscope is an excellent tool for viewing objects at high resolution. With 2 light sources, this microscope allows you to view a wide variety of objects in great detail. Microscope kit is also easy to operate, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality viewing experience.